picture. Now today we'll start your chapter number 6, lesson number 6. So open your page number 36. Page number 36, chapter number 6, learn to use the mouse. Okay, in previous lecture we have studied about the keyboard. Now we'll have to use the mouse. Okay, so we will learn about the mouse. Of course, we know mouse is a part of our computer. Look at the picture of mouse. Okay, mouse is an important part of our computer because without mouse we cannot draw pictures, we cannot play games, we cannot select, we cannot click, right? So this is the mouse. See the picture of mouse? This is a mouse. Okay, it is used to point and select an item on the monitor. Why we are using the mouse? Because mouse is used to point. Okay, point करने के लिए किसी भी चीज को हमें point करना है, दिखाना है, show. Then we have to use mouse, right? And select or select करने के लिए that we have learned, right? It is also helps to draw pictures and play games. And we know with the help of mouse we can draw pictures and we can play games. So look at here. Look at here everyone. This is a mouse. Okay. Mouse has 3 buttons. How many buttons? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Left button, middle button and right button. Left button, middle button and right button. अब ये जो middle button है वो एक wheel जैसा है. See? Okay. It looks like a wheel. So that it is known as scroll wheel. जो middle button है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Scroll wheel. Mouse has 3 buttons and a long wired tail. Okay. तो ये थोड़ा थोड़ा mouse जैसा दिखता है. Rat. That's why it is known as mouse. So now let's study about it. See, mouse has 3 buttons. Okay. See, I show you mouse has 3 buttons. Left button. Then this one is known as scroll wheel and right button. Okay. A mouse has 3 buttons. Left button, scroll wheel and right button. See, left button or center button means scroll wheel, or you can say right button. Now see what's written here? The arrow on the monitor. Look at this arrow, small arrow is called mouse pointer. और उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Mouse pointer. When we move the mouse pointer also moves with it. Okay. When we move the mouse pointer also moves like this. See, देखो mouse pointer move हो रहा है, right? So as you move the mouse pointer also moves. Got it? Now turn the page. I mean next page. Now page number 37. Next is page number 37. How to hold the mouse. Means mouse को कैसे पकड़ते हैं? How to hold. Okay, let's see. Now see, to hold the mouse you have to use your 2 fingers. First index finger and then middle finger. Okay, index finger and middle finger. So you have to hold your mouse like this. You have to keep your index finger on the left mouse button and your middle finger on the right mouse button. And like this. See the position I am holding the mouse? Okay. You have to form V shape. From these 2 fingers, V shape. Then you have to hold like this. Do not touch the center button. Okay. Scroll wheel को touch नहीं करना है. Don't touch it. You have to hold like this. Okay. Index finger on the left side and middle finger on the right side. And you have to keep it like this on the desk. Suppose this is a desk. Then you have to keep it like this. And you have to hold like this with the help of 2 fingers. See, look at here. देखो एक सेट इस तरह से होल्ड किया है माउस. index finger this side, left side, and middle finger on the right side. Okay, so see, you have to hold your mouse like this. Got it? See now what's written there? Hold the mouse lightly so that your palm rests on it. आपकी जो palm है वो आपको इस पे rest करनी है पूरी, but lightly. Then put your index finger on the left button. Yes, you have to put your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button and middle finger on the right button like this. You have to form V shape with the help of two fingers. Got it? So this is the proper way to hold a mouse. You can hold a mouse like this. Got it? Now next topic is how to use the mouse. माउस को होल्ड करना तो हमने सीखा, हाउ टू होल्ड द माउस. नाउ आफ्टर होल्डिंग हाउ टू यूज द माउस. ओके, सो you use the mouse by pressing its button. How can we use the mouse? By pressing its buttons like this. See, you have to press mouse button. ये जो finger है उसे ऐसे press करना lightly. Okay, you have to just press. As you press the mouse button, you can listen the sound. See, आपको sound सुनाई देता है. Pressing the mouse, and this process means pressing the mouse button is known as clicking. जब आप mouse button को press करते हो, this process is known as clicking. mouse button को press करना उसे क्या कहते हैं? Clicking. Click. Okay, जब आप क्लिक करते हो तो उसमें से साउंड सुनाई देता है, क्लिक क्लिक लाइक दिस. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज क्लिकिंग. ओके, नाउ लेट्स लर्न अबाउट इट. See dear students, there are two ways to click a mouse. Okay, there are two ways of clicking. First one is single click and another one is double click. आप या तो single click कर सकते हो, means one time you have to press the mouse button. Or you can do double click. What is the meaning of double click? You have to press mouse button 2 times. Okay. See, first of all we have to hold a mouse like this. You have to form V shape. Then if you click, okay, you have to click with index finger. ठीक है? You have to click with index finger means left side. So if you press one time, then it is known as single click. Single click means gently press and release the left mouse button without moving the mouse. आपको mouse move नहीं करना है. Gently you have to press and release. Okay, press and release. Which side? Left side button. This is known as single click. Okay, and why we have to do this single click? So see, it is used to select an item on the monitor. Monitor पे बहुत सारे items होती है, different icons. So आपको कोई एक icon select करना है, then we have to use single click. Okay, how we can do the single click? We have to press and release the left mouse button once. Got it? Then next, double click. What is the meaning of double click? Double click means to quickly press and release the left mouse button twice. What is the meaning of twice? 2 times. Okay, you have to press and release left mouse button twice quickly like this. 2 times. Okay, 2 times. If you press left mouse button 2 times, then it is known as double click. And double click is used to open the items. See, it is used to select and open an item. You can open an item with the help of double click. So this is the way to use a mouse, by single click and double click. Now see the next page. Now turn the page and open your page number 38. Drag and drop. A topic is there, drag and drop. Let's see. Okay, first of all, look at the top of the page. Douglas Engelbart invented the computer mouse in the year 1970. Okay, one scientist is there, engineer, and the name of that person is Douglas Engelbart. Who invented the computer mouse? Douglas Engelbart invented means सबसे पहले कंप्यूटर माउस किसने बनाया था? Douglas Engelbart ने. Okay. Now let's see drag and drop. Okay. So now meaning of drag is, the meaning of drag is, see, you have to hold the mouse, then press the left mouse button. हमने इसे प्रेस किया है. Now don't release it. Suppose आप एक प्लेस से ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करना चाहते हो इन अनदर प्लेस, then what you can do? आपको क्लिक करके रखना है माउस, then you have to move the mouse. This process is known as dragging. Okay, do not release the left mouse button. उसको ऐसे छोड़ना नहीं है माउस बटन को. You just have to press, and keeping it pressed, you have to stretch, means you have to move the mouse. This process is known as dragging. Okay, and then see, dragging and dropping is an important activity of mouse. Dragging the mouse means to move an object while holding the left mouse button pressed. बटन को प्रेस्ड रखना है, रिलीज नहीं करना है. Then you have to move it. This is known as dragging. And then releasing the mouse button after dragging object is known as dropping. And after finishing dragging, as you release the mouse button, this process is known as dropping. जब आप माउस बटन को ऐसे छोड़ देते हो ड्रैग करने के बाद, तो रिलीज करने की जो प्रोसेस है छोड़ने की क्लिक को, दिस इज नॉन एज ड्रॉपिंग. ओके, सो ड्रैगिंग एंड ड्रॉपिंग इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट एक्टिविटी. गॉट इट? सी, कीप द माउस ऑन द माउस पैड as it moves better on a smooth surface. और माउस को ऑलवेज माउस पैड पे रखना है. माउस पैड होता है जिसके ऊपर आपको माउस रखना है, तो माउस अच्छे से वर्क करेगा. ओके, वायरलेस माउस इज बिकमिंग मोर पॉपुलर, एंड आजकल वायरलेस माउस ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है जिसमें ऐसे वायर्स नहीं होते. ओके, सेल से चलते हैं. गॉट इट? सी, लेट मी शो यू ड्रैगिंग एंड ड्रॉपिंग. हम ड्रैगिंग एंड ड्रॉपिंग देखते हैं. Now see everyone, look at this icon. ये आइकन को हम मूव करेंगे यहाँ. Okay, with the help of drag and drop. So what we can do? First we have to click here. See, click here. Then press the mouse button, drag the mouse and drop it. See, okay, drop. Okay. From here we moved the icon to there. So this process is known as drag and drop. Got it? So this is all about your page number 36, 37 and 38. This topic we'll learn in the next video lecture. Okay dear students, thank you.